I will include the SOP of this video down in the description. You can download it for free and follow along when you're updating your N8N. They're gonna be step-by-step process is gonna be explained there. Today I will show you how to update your local hosted N8N and your cloud hosted N8Ns. Let's go. This is my local hosted N8N and this is my render hosted, cloud hosted N8N. So the cloud hosted N8N update is really easy. Just go on your cloud, log in. When you log in with your account, click on your project, and in render, because I am using for my data to be saved in Supabase that I showed in the video how to install your N8N instance on render, because of the environmental variables are written and everything in my N8N instance is saved to Supabase database, so I can update my N8N just with 2 clicks. Here on manual deploy, I just have to press deploy latest reference, and now you can see there are 2 updates to make. Deploy latest reference, and just be careful because all of the active workflow are gonna stop for the moment. Deploy. And it's gonna download the latest image of N8N and it's gonna install it, but because of my variables are gonna be the same, so it's gonna use the same workflows, credentials, and all of the data in my N8N is gonna be pulled up again from the Supabase database. So it's gonna be the same N8N with the updated version, because a lot of guys I saw in different videos, comments, and in Reddit, they say when I update my N8N, all of my workflows has been deleted. This is why, because if you don't buy disk here or some kind of storage in your host and your N8N is not connected to outside database, it's normal that your workflows are being deleted. Okay, editor is now accessible, so I just have to refresh, and that's it. We have our authentication method improvements, and this is it. We have our N8N updated on our render account. Okay, we can close that. How we can update our local hosted N8N, which is on our PC? We have to go to Docker, click on your N8N instance, click inspect, and now from here we have to get our environmental variables and the path. So the path is you're gonna find it in host config binds. This is gonna be the path that your N8N instance is installed and using for data on your PC. Copy the path and copy the environmental variables as well. I've just copied them. I'm gonna show from where. You have to come to env and copy the environmental variables. These are mine that I've been showing on the installation video in the channel. You can find and watch it. Okay, so now we have to delete our container. We come here and delete it, and any volumes associated are going to be deleted, but there are no volumes associated with this container, so all of the data and everything is in the path, so you have to delete it. Let me delete the other container that is connected with N8N as well. To images, and then you have to find your N8N image, delete it, and now we have to pull the latest version. Click pull. It's gonna download the latest version of the N8N image now. Okay, and now as you can see we have the latest updated version of N8N. We have to click run. It's gonna give us these optional settings again, and now we have to make the same container, same variables and name. So our container was N8N secure. Host port, my one was 45555. You have to save your one or just know your one in advance. Host path, here we have to choose our path in our PC that we have saved here. So we have to click the dots and come here. Come to documents and the data. So click 3 dots and in file, go to documents and it says N8N data. So I have to click N8N data, select the folder, and on container path, we have to write this that we have copied. As you can see, it's data, column, and this. We have to paste the container path. And now for the variables, we have to add our variables. Webhook URL, editor base URL is the same. Community package is available. True. Default binary data mode. File system. N8N protocol. It's HTTPS. And N8N host. It's gonna be the host link. And this is it. When we click run now, it's gonna install the latest version of N8N now. Now it is ready and accessible to in the link. When we go in, we can see that our N8N is updated and all of my workflows and everything is saved here. And now, as you can see, we are on the latest version of N8N, and this is it. So the next time you have to update your N8N on your PC, you have to come to Docker, stop this container of N8N, delete it, go to image, delete your N8N image, search, pull the latest one, run, put your environmental variables, and this is it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment what kind of videos you want to see from me. In future videos, I'm gonna show how to make your N8N like my one, to have your custom domain on it with Cloudflare, and this is gonna be for the videos around N8N installation, backups, updates. I have covered all of them in the channel, and we're gonna start with some beginner workflows and how to work with N8N, all kind of important nodes and everything. So make sure you subscribe and like the videos. See you in the next one. Thank you.